Every other day I was feeling demotivating. One thing that I can recollect is that I was just looking at topper copies and I was feeling so bad about myself that I can't even write good answer. How can I expect to clear myself like this exam? Then sitting back with myself, introspecting a lot, I time and again reminded myself that this is the chance only few people get, like writing the mains. If you are one among them, just go all in. Do not waste this chance. Somebody else in your place could have utilized this time much better. Maybe this kind of perspective helped me to take these shortcomings in a positive light and just work upon my deficiencies each day.
Yeah.
So going through these 2.5 months, as I said, I didn't start right after prelims. After the result of prelims, I started for mains. I just took a long break after prelims because I knew that I did my best. If I'm not going to make it through 2024 prelims, I thought that I would just go back and build some career in core sector.